Theta value equivalent to 54.181 rands a coin. The present cost range 52.5E8 and 26.54 tx is 108. The earlier day close 53.20.1894. The change was plus 0.99287, plus 175%. Converse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 63.82 rands. Excessive cost 63.82, while low cost 49.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 57.78. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 53.61, change for July 16%. Theta conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 53.61 rands. Excessive cost 66.54, while low cost 53.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 58.99. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 62.19, change for August 16%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 62.19 rands. Excessive cost 77.19, while low cost 62.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 68.43. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 72.14, change for September 16%. Theta figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 72.14 rands. Excessive cost 86.32, while low cost 72.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 77.82. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 80.67, change for October 11.8%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 80.67 rands. Excessive cost 95.94, while low cost 80.67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 86.74. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 89.66, change for November 11.1%. Theta figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 89.66 rands. Excessive cost 97.47, while low cost 84.71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 90.73. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 91.09, change for December 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 91.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 99.51, while low cost 86.49. The found the middle value of cost 92.52. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 93 hours and change for January 1%. Theta gauge for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 93,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 93.90, while low cost 81.62. The found the middle value of cost 89.07. Theta cost figured toward the month's end 87.76, change for February 6%. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 87.76 rands. Exorbitant cost 87.76, while low cost 70.88. The found the middle value of cost 80.65. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 76.21, change for spring 13.2%. Theta estimate for April 2025. To start with cost at 76.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 76.21, while low cost 65.14. The found the middle value of cost 71.90. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 70.04 of change for April 8.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 70.04 rands. Exorbitant cost 73.11, while low cost 63.55. The found the middle value of cost 68.76. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 68.33, change for May 4%. Theta gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 68.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 81.86, while low cost 68.33. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 73.76. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 76.50, change for June 12%. Theta cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 76.50 rands. Excessive cost 94.95, while low cost 76.50. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 84.17. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 88.74, change for July 16%. Theta figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 88.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 96.47, while low cost 83.85. They found the middle value of cost 89.81. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 90.16, change for August 16%. Theta cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 90.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 98.01, while low cost 85.19. They found the middle value of cost 91.24. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 91.60, change for September 16%. Theta figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 91.60 rands. Excessive cost 112.85, while low cost 91.60. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 138. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 105.47, change for October 1%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 105.47 rands. Excessive cost 107.89, while low cost 93.77. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 101.99. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 183, change for November 4%. Theta estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 183 rands. Exorbitant cost 183, while low cost 82.71. They found the middle value of cost 93.33. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 88.94, change for December 11.8%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 88.94 rands. Exorbitant cost 110.39, while low cost 88.94. They found the middle value of cost 97.86. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 103.17, change for January 16%. Theta gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 103.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 103.17, while low cost 84.34. They found the middle value of cost 95.34. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 90.69, change for February 1%. Theta cost expectation for walk 2026. At the outset cost at 90.69 rands. Excessive cost 98.59, while low cost 85.69. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 91.78. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 92.14, change for spring 16%. Theta conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 92.14 rands. Excessive cost 116, while low cost 87.06. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 93.24. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 93.61, change for April 16%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 93.61 rands. Excessive cost 160.19, while low cost 93.61. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 103,000. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 108.59, change for May 16%. Theta conjecture for June 2026. Before all else cost at 108.59 rands. Excessive cost 130.06, while low cost 108.59. They arrived at the